A new concept has been introduced within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, vibe working. Fantastic, a wonderful idea came up. Do you know what vibe coding is? Vibe coding is when a programmer sits down, writes their software, and at the same time has an artificial intelligence that helps them write lines of code. Fantastic. It's an incredible tool to boost a technician's productivity because you always have AI right there beside you helping you with your coding work. This concept started with Claude, and now everyone is adopting it. GitHub Copilot is fantastic from this point of view, and so on and so forth.
Wait a moment. I'll steal 10 seconds to introduce myself. I am one of the Microsoft most valuable professionals, and on this channel, you will find tons of technical videos to keep you updated on all Microsoft 365 technologies, from SharePoint to Teams to Microsoft 365 Copilot. Subscribe then to see the new updates.
Now Microsoft has said, well, I don't just want to do vibe coding, I want to do vibe working. Fantastic. So they're integrating this mode called Agent Mode into Copilot and the Office experiences. Agent Mode is essentially a different way, still within Copilot, to modify or retrieve information from the file I have open in a conversational manner, just like Claude does. I don't know if any of you have ever used Claude. I can, in a conversational way, tell it, so retrieve this information for me, or thanks. Now use this information to generate a chart by pulling in that other data. So really in a conversational form, like a back and forth, I can keep working on the file's content. And I can do this both in Excel, as you saw in this short video, but also in Word. And in addition, there's also one last option right in the Copilot Chat, which we'll look at now. This is identical, meaning I have a Word document. On the right, I have my chat, and I can keep telling it, okay, now do this by taking from that document. Well, at the point where you say here, add a conclusion and so on, or at a certain point, chapter 1, insert information taken from somewhere else, search the web. So really in an interactive conversational way, I have the ability to produce my Word file in this case. Nice, I like it. The idea is to follow the current trend, right? Where AI isn't just about single actions, you know? With Copilot, that's how it is now. I ask for something and it does it for me. No, it's iterative, conversational, so I keep expressing actions within a conversation. Okay? Very nice. This agent mode is also available in Copilot Chat. It's called Office Mode. Basically, it allows us, still in conversational mode, to generate files directly from the chat. You see, in this case, he asked it to make a report, blah, blah, blah. Copilot processes the request using the prisoning mode, then asks for information about how the output should be. So it asks which template you want to use, and on the right you can see the result in the meantime. You can keep iterating on that result. So add something here, add something there until you're ready. Then you download it and open it in PowerPoint and use the Copilot features in PowerPoint that you've always used. Everything is exactly the same as before.